testing RDS published application. Now in this video, we are going to launch it. So we have given access to whom. So what I'm looking for, Horizon client. And this is my Horizon connection server. Let's confirm one more time. Win SVR01. Yep, double click. So sysadmin is the one, or user 123 also is the one who has access to this application. Wow, now you see too many applications and the desktop. Okay, so we have done with, testing the application. We were able to test all the application. We were able to open the machine as well. So we are good to go, and let's see you next video. Thank you very much. And again, I am saying, please don't forget to put your valuable feedback on the Udemy. Happy learning.